So Emma, how tight was it over there?
It is really tight. Like I can get through, but I need to like be careful with this.
But I probably couldn't get through.
No,
right?
you couldn't. You got a big bum. You need to. I'm trying to boil water for my coffee and I want to wash off also. So I'm just gonna use a towel to just wipe my body because it's so freaking dusty. I feel so ooey. So we are going to cook bacon, eggs, and fried rice for tonight for me because I'm really hungry. So tomorrow I'm gonna be good just for bread for breakfast. But right now I really need some rice because I feel I lost all the energy hiking a while ago. Smells so good. Ah, we're gonna have a feast tonight. So we are here in Dry Fork, Peekaboo Spooky Trailhead, and there's Jen. Need to register again before we start our hike.
Well, we are on the start of the hike. There's a few people ahead of us, which makes us feel kind of good because we want to know where to go. So Emma's telling me to be careful, so I gotta quit recording for a minute. Okay, we just got to the bottom. There's Emma. Here's the thing we had to come down right over here. We came up around through there, but it's kind of scary getting down here. And now we're down here. I think it's gonna be pretty easy hiking from here, but that kind of wore out my knees going down that steep rock mountain. And Emma said me too.
Welcome to Spooky and Peekaboo Slide. I'm not really sure if this is Peekaboo, the two are together. So I guess it's okay. So welcome to the tight places. Take a shot. Oh, that's pretty. I want to have pictures. Careful with your head. I think John can't do this because he got really claustrophobic in this one. So I don't think we can make it. see. This is like really tight.
So Emma, how tight was it over there?
It is really tight. Like I can get through, but I need to like be careful with this.
But I probably couldn't get through.
No,
right?
you couldn't.
Okay.
You got a big bum. You need to like do that, and then you got big tummy. You get
This
stuck.
time I'm a big guy. Not a big tum, big bum. I'm just a big guy. I'm tall. I'm 6'3", and you're 5'1", so.
I'm skinny.
Okay.
I can actually like pass through.
All right. I like this one though, Em.
Yeah, this one is better than the other one. It's really spooky, spooky, spooky.
Well, so far it's okay. I can still get through it.
Yeah. Walking in the canyon. And if there's a flash flood, we're gonna be washed out. Hit our head in the rock. We're gonna be
Yeah,
dead.
don't think it's up that high, Emma. You just get out of this.
Oopsie, oopsie, it's crumbly.
Well, I can tell you right now, there's been any water in here for a long time. Just how dry it is.
Yeah. Yep, it's a rocky road ice cream. Oh, jeez, you need to climb up. Oopsie. Now, how am I gonna climb up?
I don't know, Em.
Ah, there's bugs falling down.
Ooh, there's a big black bug there, Em.
I know. Now we need to climb up. Ah. Oh my goodness.
Are you okay?
Yeah, because I'm holding the camera. Ah, that is like a lousy climb. So we are headed back again. We didn't finish the Slat Canyon because it's like forever. But everything is so beautiful. It's like everything is picturesque. So we're going to explore another place. The easy one, hopefully, because my little toes are getting sore from the sandy, bitchy sand. Yeah, my teeth is like so ugly. I guess umuusli siya. Pausli ng pausli. So, kailangan ka na siyang i-fix kasi Yung gusto ko ganun na yung itsura ngayon. So I'm so glad we're already out and we're gonna get back in the car and we just grab a sandwich because I'm hungry and I'm so thirsty. But there's a lot of people still going down there. It's a really bit scary going down there. And that canyon, it's slick because of the sand. So if you don't have proper shoes that has tractions, you might slide. So you really need to be careful. But it's worth it. It's really pretty. But we didn't get to explore the Flat Canyon. So we're gonna walk back, going up there, and there are some people there going down.
This could be where somebody was buried in this cave. Emma's trying to open up the rock, but I don't think she's gonna get it. She thinks it's Jesus, but it's just a tomb.
No,
Okay, smile at the camera.
Jesus, are you there?
Hands in the air. Yep, that's my woman. There.
Now we're gonna go up more. But there's a trail, I think, here. Someone pee. Hi. See, this is really like scary. One wrong slide, you're gonna roll over there. So you need to be careful, honey bun.
I will be careful.
Hey, be careful, my giant. Okay. Well, I like the ripples.
Yeah, here's a ripple right here.
I'm gonna go with the ripples. Oh, sheesh. Oh, I survived going from down there, going up. So, this is our adventure for today. We explored Peekaboo, and well, we didn't see Peekaboo because the way going down there is you need to climb up on the canyon, and it's so hard, especially I'm so small. It's like it needs to have a rope. But we got to see a little bit of Spooky. And then there is another canyon, I don't know what's the name of it, but that one is like pretty, so we just explored half of it. But it was pretty. But going down from here, it's like really, really scary.